Need tools? We've got you covered. Go to ChromebookParts.com or click on the link below to pick up this sleek, portable toolkit. Flip the unit over and carefully peel the rubber feet from the bottom cover. Remove 6 6mm screws and 2 4mm screws from the bottom cover. Flip the unit back over and open it up. There are a couple of ways to remove the bottom cover. The easiest way is to use your palm to apply pressure to the bottom cover, and then use your fingers to pop the edges free from the palm rest. You could also gently insert the opener pick and slide along the edges to pop the bottom cover free. Remove 4 3mm screws from the battery. Carefully lift the battery to unplug and remove. Flip the unit over and open it up. And gently insert the opener pick between the bezel and the back cover. The easiest entry point can sometimes be near the camera. Slide along the edges to pop the bezel free. There's likely adhesive underneath, so take your time and try not to use too much pressure. Once the bezel is largely free, use the tweezers to pry the trim cover piece free. You should be able to see a small amount of adhesive tape sticking out from underneath the screen. Use the tweezers to grab onto the end and curl it around and gently pull the adhesive tape free from underneath. Be careful not to pull too hard, as you don't want the adhesive to snap before you get it all out. And do the same for the other side. Lay the LCD down on its face. Peel back the tape. And remove the second layer adhesive underneath this tape, and unplug the LCD cable from the LCD panel. Replace the LCD panel, and plug the LCD cable into the new panel. Using double-sided adhesive tape, lay 2 strips along the sides of the back cover. Peel off the covering, and lay the LCD panel back into place. Gently push down on the sides to secure it to the adhesive. Replace the bezel, and push down to snap it back into place. Replace the trim piece, and push down to snap that back into place as well. You may need to fold the unit and push the trim piece down from the other side as well. Line the battery plug up, and plug it back in to set it back into place. Replace the 4 3mm screws back into the battery. Replace the bottom cover, and push down to snap it back into place. Replace the 6 6mm screws and 2 4mm screws back into the bottom cover. And finally, replace the rubber feet. These pieces can stretch if you pull on them too hard, so try to slowly work your way across the bottom cover, making sure the lengths match up.